going to teach Molly, who is about an 8-month-old lab mix, to go in and out the doggy door. What we're going to do is teach the dog to come out the doggy door. I'm going to help her with the leash, and then we're going to use a command for the door, and we're going to use the command doggy door, so they associate doggy door with going out the door. So what I'm going to do is start by putting the leash out the door. Molly, come. Come. Good girl.
Good job.
Okay, so now I want to start using the doggy door command. So she understands come already. So meaning come means come to you. So I'm going to add the come doggy door. Molly, come. Doggy door. Doggy door. Doggy door. Doggy door. Good girl. So now we're going to call her back in using Molly come and doggy door. Doggy door. Good girl. So now we're going to see if we can get her to go out without me having to help her with the leash. Doggy door. Good job. Doggy door. Good girl. Doggy door. Good girl. Doggy door. Doggy door. Good girl.